blood on my face. I said, I know my family cares, but I be smoking even though there ain't a chance to repair. I be smoking even though I know the cancer is there, and I be smoking with my dope and blowing grams in the air.
Hey guys, welcome back. But all stay safe out there. Gonna jump on this trap by Pistol P and Enzo called War. Thanks for been watching, requesting, liking, commenting, doing all the good stuff. But don't forget to press subscribe, man. Let's jump onto it. Yo, if you haven't noticed, I'm coming from like a hotel room because I'm away for a week or two. So it's just like bar some hotels now. Let's go.
So no toy, it won't shoot far, but the cunt don't miss. Just use one hand and keep it stiff, then let it flick. Late night run, letting it pop. Stay red hot, let them see our faces. Not talking bottle-o run when I gotta go back and pick up the cases.
Yo, go let them see our faces. Not talking bottles of rum when I go back and let them pick up the case. Yo, dude's coming out straight, just like with a shotgun. Not even using one hand, like just straight up, straight arm, stiff arm, using one hand. Yo, don't shoot far. Yo, but this bitch don't miss. Oh, alright, that's how we're starting, man. It's not even coming out no faces, no cases. It's coming out, yo, all the faces and all the cases.
Bottle-o run when I gotta go back and pick up the cases. If I come through, it's no question, don't get smoked. We're not session, they're gonna lose here, they're not stressing. Been that same lad from way back. Say that shit I'll never take back. Reckless driving, better stay strapped. Southwest Sydney where we be at. Ain't nothing new.
Yo, reckless driving, you better stay strapped. Strapped like your seatbelt, but strapped as in like keep the gun on you. Yo, one thing I love about people like either like a duo of people like obviously like Pistol P and Enzo, or people that do collabs is the forwards and backwards that people have, like the chemistry between people when one does a verse, another does a verse, or one does a line, another does a line. Yo, so good.
Anywhere we be at, ain't nothing new. Tell these bitches on the truth. Massacre when I step up in the booth. If they want dramas, then we let it loose. Always paid homage to the OGs. Now the youngest, they pay it to me. Deuce, making fucking moves. And the other side waiting to see. Since day one, I've been running amok. Representing for my town. No card games and we're free up. And we come and put free down. Arcing up like who's next. If they're spinning shit, then we run the ball like roulette. Make that boy turn to a lady like Phuket. I don't talk about work ethic.
Make that boy turn to a lady like Phuket, or like if you're from the UK, like Phuket. Yo, like in Thailand, man. Those lady boys. Yo, dude's saying so much on this. Like, yo, back in the day, we used to look up and give the OGs all the respect and stuff like that. And yo, now we get it from the young'uns now, man. Yo, on the whole, yo, we're coming out 3 up, so we're gonna put 3 down and then chasing the ball like roulette and shit. Yo, so good, so good.
Make that boy turn to a lady like Phuket. I don't talk about work ethic, call me rap the way that I'll wreck it. Cause my team are always protected. It's the principle and the effort. Born and raised down in Sydney, good to find the success. If they talk about Sydney, lad, they know I'm from the southwest. Ain't nothing new. Ain't nothing new.
Yo, how good is this?
In these shoes. Brother, they don't have a clue. Nah, ain't nothing new, bruh. This the shit that we do. We just came through, all deadly. If they're bringing war, then I'm ready. Ain't nothing new.
Yo, if they're bringing the war, then I'm ready. I'm stood waiting. I'm strapped. Yo, I've got all the artillery on me. There ain't gonna be no sneak attacks. It ain't gonna be like World War II when Hitler decided to invade people for no reason and just start going off, or when fucking Putin started doing it with nothing happening before. Yo, I'm stood waiting because I know somebody's gonna want this war.
War, then I'm ready. Ain't nothing new. Ain't nothing new. They couldn't fit in these shoes. Brother, they don't have a clue. Nah, ain't nothing new, bruh. This the shit that we do. We just came through, all deadly. If they're bringing war, then I'm ready. Every time we're on, this shit gets deadly. They can't stand the weight, it's too heavy. My pussy's bleed. Pop that cherry. We don't cut the beef, we're not dailies. Yeah, we're here now, it's no cut.
Yo. Make pussies bleed, but we're not popping cherries. Yo, come on, man.
That cherry, we don't cut the beef, we're not dailies. Yeah, we're here now, it's no come up. Come get folded soon as you run up. Coldest bars, even in summer. Try to see me, wait for your number, bitch. One way, no street sign. We're blowing up just like tape time. My shit's clean. R. Kelly, where I come out and fuck up the 16. Deuce, long shit.
Yo, You can't bring those sort of R. Kelly bars into a track, man. That's fucked up as much as wanting to fuck other people up.
Soon as you run up, coldest bars even in summer. Try come see me, wait for your number, bitch. One way, no street sign. We're blowing up just like tape time. My shit's clean. R. Kelly, way I come out and fuck up the 16.
Oh, yo, R. Kelly, the way they would come and fuck up the 16.
Long shit like Pinocchio, but we don't tell no lies. Give the circumference a small ratio, and I guarantee we got be getting that pie. Real talk, let's kick it off. I see the top.
Yo, we're just going into schemes now. This is just nothing but schemes.
No street sign, we're blowing up just
yeah,
like
one way, no street signs.
R. Kelly, way I come out and fuck up the 16. Long shit like Pinocchio, but we don't tell no lies. Give the circumference.
So long shit like Pinocchio, we don't tell no lies. Obviously, talk about a gunman.
Long shit like Pinocchio, but we don't tell no lies. Give the circumference a small ratio, and I guarantee we got be getting that pie.
Give the circumference a small ratio, and I guarantee we're going to be getting the pie. So they're going to run a monopoly on this shit, man. The pie is like 3.16, 3.14, whatever it is, man. They're having it all, man. Like your pie charts where it's split to different things, they're going to have it all, man, all the way around.
Conference a small ratio, and I guarantee we got be getting that pie. Real talk, let's kick it off. I see the time on the clock, and I'm ready for the crunch. If that hand touch, now that bell gon' ring up, they're ready for lunch. We're with it, clip it, grip it. See that car line? Fucking flip it. Police plug line, rip it, have a dig line. Whip it, ayy.
Yo, when he said grabbing the 9, hang on, or touching the 9.
I'm ready for the crunch. If that hand touch, now that bell gon' ring up, they're ready for lunch. We're with it.
So if that hand touch 9, then the bell's gonna ring like they're ready for lunch. So like you talk about time, but touching that 9 is in touching that gun. That bell's gonna ring like, yo, it's on, and they're just gonna eat you up, man.
Clip it, grip it, see that car line? Fucking flip it, police plug line, rip it, have a dig line. Whip it, ayy. Who said what, when and where, how? Fuck 'em, lad, straight bow. Cuz, what are we gonna do now? Lad, who gives a fuck, let's move out. I call up the doc or tell him to come to the spot, let's get rid of that hate. Yeah, we're chatting now, lad, did you hear him? Yeah, I heard him also all sweet. Pistol, yeah, lad. Oh, who's that? I swear I've seen that car before. All stare creeping up, they look iffy. Lad, get ready, we're going to war. If they hop out, pop out, fuck them dogs, my bro, don't leave a survivor. Squeeze that shit till you hear that click, hey lad, make sure that you hit that driver.
Yo, dudes out living no Destiny's Child out there. There's no fucking survivors getting left whatsoever. Yo, it's like a little scenario that playing out to us. Yo, who's in that car? Who's driving around these ends?
I swear I've seen that car before. All stare creeping up, they look iffy. Lad, get ready, we're going to war. If they hop out, pop out, fuck them dogs, my bro, don't leave a survivor. Squeeze that shit till you hear that click, hey lad, make sure that you hit that
empty that clip.
Tags on toe time. Let that cannon flash, that it's showtime. If that rap.
Let that cannon. Sorry, if you can hear sounds, it's because I'm like fucking right next to the window. It said, "Yo, let that cannon flash like it's showtime." So a cannon's like a camera, but obviously a cannon's a gun. And it says, "Yo, it's putting toes on tags. It's putting tags on toe time." It's obviously toe tags killing people, man.
Squeeze that shit till you hear that click, hey lad, make sure that you hit that driver. Right, it's go time. Tags on toe time. Let that cannon flash, that it's showtime. If that rapper up like a cosign, then peel off quick, it's a beat in no time.
Whoa!
If that rapper up like a cosign.
Yo, how good was this track? How hard did they go on this one?
Ain't nothing new. They couldn't fit in these shoes. Brother, they don't have a clue. Nah, ain't nothing new, bruh. This the shit that we do. We just came through, all deadly. If they're bringing war, then I'm ready.
Yo, they came through on this one. No doubt about it.
They couldn't fit in these shoes. Brother, they
I'm
don't have a
having fucking
clue.
palpitations.
Ain't nothing new, bruh. This the shit that we do. We just came through, all deadly. If they're bringing war, then I'm ready.
Yo, how good was that? Yo, I need to see this movie, man. I need to see Neverland movie is what I need to do. Right, guys, that's that one done. Yo, how good was that? Just how good was it? Just the schemes and the bars and the back to front and the back to front and the back and forth, sorry, and the just like sentences and all sorts of shit. That was so good. Right, guys, that's that one done. Oh, thanks so much for watching the end. Yo, I wish there were a proper video for it. Thanks so much for watching the end. Let me know about anything that I missed. See you guys on the next one.